Welcome back, artists. Today we're going to turn a letter F into this giant fire-breathing monster. It's going to be a lot of fun. And then we're going to add our character to our cartoon land, a world of cartoons that we've been adding to each and every day with all sorts of awesome drawings. So grab your pencil and paper. You're going to have so much fun. So let's draw a fire-breathing monster. Let's use letter F. And we're going to draw the monster's eyes right here. And we're going to draw a line from the eye. It's going to go around like this with two little dots for the monster's nose. We should probably give this monster some angry eyebrows. And we're going to add lots of sharp, pointy monster teeth here. This is going to become the fire breath, so we'll wait till the end to do that. But we're going to draw a line for the bottom of the mouth starting here. We're going to draw a line that goes over and back like so, with lots of sharp, pointy monster teeth. With the monster's face all finished, let's start the body. We're going to start right here, and we're going to draw a line that goes back like so. Let's give this monster an arm. We're going to draw two lines for an arm with sharp, pointy monster fingers. And then we're going to add these big monster feet with toenails. And then we're going to add a big giant monster foot. It's like an unfinished rectangle shape with toenails. And then we just need to close this part in. We're just going to draw a little line to close that in. Monster looks awesome. We need to add a monster tail like this. Okay, it's looking good. Now let's add another leg. We're going to just add a hint of it over here. I just think it needs a little more depth or something. Yeah, just gives it a little extra something. We'll add one toenail here. And notice I colored it just a little bit darker than the other leg to show it's further away. How about some monster spikes? Go crazy with these spikes. And then you can add these little tiny tick marks, different parts of your character, sort of a little bit of texture. The last thing we need to add that monster fire. So you can make it breathing fire like this, or maybe your monster breathes lightning like this, or maybe your monster has an icy cold freeze breath. But I like to make my monster breathing atomic energy. Yeah! And just like that, you drew a monster using a letter F, and it was so simple. Okay, drawing fans, it's time to place our monster into cartoon land. And crazy baby, where do you think we should put the monster? Any ideas? Maybe next to you, dinosaur. I don't know. I think a monster would eat a chocolate chip cookie, even if it's dancing. So I'm thinking we place it over here by this mountain. What do you think? Ah, there you go. Just like that. Awesome. Okay. And I hope you don't hit the flying narwhal with your atomic plasma breath. Artists, I had a blast drawing with you. Hey, make sure you tune in tomorrow. We're going to do some more drawing together. And remember, every drawing tells a story.
Hey, if you like this video, then you'll love Harptooniacs. No commercials, safe content, and most of all, fun! And you can try 3 free lessons today when you click on the link in the description below.